Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to link Google Forms to Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. There are two ways to link Google Forms to Google Sheets. The first way to create a connection is to use the tools inside Google Forms. For example, let's create a simple Google form, create a few questions. I discussed this topic in more detail in this video. Let's say we created a Google form and now we need a Google Sheet in which all the answers to the Google form will be collected and stored. Select the Responses tab and click Link to Sheets. A window opens in which we have the choice to create a new spreadsheet, or we can add all the responses to an existing one. In the first case, everything is obvious, so let's add the answer sheet to an existing file. Select the appropriate option and click Select. A window opened with all the existing Google Sheets documents. We just need to select the file in which our answers will be stored. Let's say it's this spreadsheet. Select it and click Insert. We wait a few seconds and now a new answer sheet has been added to the existing workbook. As you can see, in addition to the first original sheet, another one has appeared, which is associated with Google Forms, which is confirmed by this violet icon. For reference, the spreadsheet with the answers look like this. The questions are in columns and the answers are in rows, very convenient and compact. Now let's consider the second method. We made a connection from Google Forms to Google Sheets. Now let's do the opposite. Let's create a link with Google Forms from Google Sheets. Creating a new workbook, go to the Tools tab and then click Create a new form. We wait a few seconds and the new form is created. And what is very convenient is that this form already has a link to Google Sheets initially, and all responses from this form will be stored here. If for some reason you need to break the link with the current form, then you can do it very simply. Open the corresponding workbook and then right-click on the sheet linked with Google Forms and select Unlink Form, and the link to the form will be broken. You just need to remember that all the answers that were stored in this sheet will not be deleted, but will remain here even after the connection is broken. That's all I wanted to say. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.